Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make monthly income on YouTube with simple videos without showing your face or anything like that. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how you can make monthly income on YouTube with simple videos, with a simple method. So what you're going to do is get some information on whatever you want to make information on. I've seen people make information on, no matter what, like health, fitness, you name it, like making yogurts, making drinks, making, anything like gardening, anything that you can think of, doing yoga or whatever, and they don't show their faces. And all they do is, I've seen like this video of someone who was like, put toothpaste on your skin to get rid of like freckles or something like that. And that video had like 2 million or 3 million views. It's like that crazy. And all they did in that video was showing a toothpaste, like literally like zooming in and out of a photo of a toothpaste, and they were doing a voiceover talking about, that thing of putting toothpaste on your skin, which sounds really weird to me. And, what you have to do is find a very large topic. Like, this is a very large topic. People want to take care of their skin, even if, they don't want to, they never thought of putting toothpaste on their skin, they still want to take care of it. So you want to find something that's, really broad and large, like find a topic that people really want, like, taking care of their skin or, repairing a car, something like that, that's got a really large audience. And what you're going to do is, with that, people are going to watch these videos like a ton, because that's something that's very interesting. So how do you find that information? Google is your friend. So just find a topic and just go to Google, find some blog posts or whatever, and just talk it through, like just read it over like your photo of whatever you want to do, like of a monkey, for example, and just do that and just read the text. Maybe it's a YouTube video, so you have to write it down and then just like say it over it. Maybe you want to change it a little bit because you don't want to copy it, like someone's video, because that is not very good. Like YouTube doesn't like that. But just read something and just get do a voiceover. And that will get you to get like hundreds of thousands of views. Like, don't think that you'll get tens of thousands of views just starting out, but if you keep doing this consistently, then you will eventually get tens of thousands of views. So as soon as you get to 1,000 subscribers and I think 10,000 views, then you'll be able to get monetized on YouTube. So they'll give you a ton of money. Well, not a ton of money, that really depends on how many views you're getting, but you're going to get paid with YouTube. So that's a great way, but you can take it to the next level, and that is by doing affiliate marketing. So what you do is, in the description, you paste something that you're talking about. Like if you're talking about the toothpaste, put that toothpaste in the description with an affiliate link. People will click on that link, you'll get some money, and you'll be very happy with that. So that's one way, but then you can even take it to another level, and that is building an email list. Because if you're making YouTube videos about skincare, people are interested in skincare, so you make them enter the email by giving them something away for free, just maybe it's an ebook, free information, a course, you know, a free PDF, like a cheat sheet, you name it. There's a ton of ways to do that. And then they enter the email, and then you can promote some things to them over and over and over again with affiliate marketing. Like, just help them out and just give them some way of getting to a product that will help them to get even further. And that is how you can make a ton of money without showing your face, just doing a voiceover. And some people even do it with a robotic voice and still get millions of views, so that you don't even have to talk over it. You can just type it on Google and, you know, it says it for you. So that's a very great way to do it. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.